We're back in Gloucestershire, this time with Hill's Quarry Products to take a look at Shorncote Sand and Gravel Quarry, which is a part of the Cotswold Water Park in the Upper Thames Valley. Shorncote sits alongside a working quarry, and the team says that the wildlife seems to ignore the machinery, and the plant operators have become keen conservationists, fiercely protective of wildlife.
The lakes are very attractive. They attract a wide variety of birds and wildlife, and the beauty of sand and gravel extraction, we've got sand and gravel extraction going on just the other side of this lake here. Wildlife get used to it. They get used to machines moving around, and therefore we create this habitat that just keeps going and keeps moving with our operation.
The name Shorncote dates back to 1170, and the restoration work has turned this former sewage sludge dump into a first-class home for wildlife. Shorncote has 9 of the water park's 150 lakes and is a haven for wading, migrating, feeding and nesting birds. Murmurations of starling are seen, and back to that bittern, it's thought Shorncote will be the first site in the water park to host breeding bittern and great white egret. Where the quarry has been restored to non-agricultural dry land, the land's been left without topsoil, and those unmanicured areas are loved by the stonechat, kingfisher, sand martin and marsh harrier.
We've got a site which post-extraction restoration is clearly much more valuable in terms of its wildlife interest than the original area of land pre-extraction. So this is actually quite a good example of how you can get net gain, not just for wildlife, but also for people being able to walk around it and view wildlife. So there's community and leisure gains there as well.
The visiting judges say this is a busy leisure site. It has the advantage of being on a landscape scale with a wide variety of uses and habitats, and the judges like that it's highly valued by both nature conservation bodies and the public.